Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you believe that creating a beautiful home has to break the bank, then you are in for a treat today. I'm about to show you how to transform simple dollar store finds into stunning, high-end decor pieces that will have your friends asking, where did you get that? So grab a coffee, get cozy, and let's get ready to elevate our homes on a budget. First up, let's talk about these plain glass vases and jars you can find in abundance at any dollar store. They might not look like much on the shelf, but with a little creativity, they become incredibly chic. My favorite trick is to use some textured spray paint. A can of Stone Effect or frosted glass spray paint can instantly make a $1 vase look like a $50 ceramic piece from a high-end boutique. Just give it a couple of even coats in a well-ventilated area, let it dry completely, and you have a gorgeous, modern vase perfect for some fresh flowers or faux pampas grass. Next, let's tackle storage. We all need it, but stylish solutions can be pricey. I found these simple plastic or wire baskets, and with a quick upgrade, they look amazing. For the plastic ones, a coat of matte black or metallic gold spray paint works wonders. For the wire baskets, try weaving some thick yarn or jute rope through the gaps. This adds a warm bohemian texture and completely changes the look. You can also add a fabric liner using a simple piece of linen or canvas, which you can often find in the craft section. It's a perfect way to organize your pantry, bathroom, or shelves with a custom, expensive feel. Finally, don't overlook the picture frame aisle. While the frames themselves might be basic, they are the perfect blank canvas. I love buying a few matching frames, removing the generic art, and painting them all in a cohesive color, like a deep navy or a soft sage green. Then, I print out some free, high-resolution abstract art or botanical prints from online resources. Grouping 3 or 5 of these newly transformed frames together creates a sophisticated gallery wall that looks professionally curated. It's an incredibly simple hack that makes a huge impact on any empty wall. So there you have it, 3 easy and affordable ways to make your home look more expensive using items from the dollar store. It really just takes a little imagination to see the potential in everyday items. I hope this inspired you to try some DIY decor yourself. If you enjoyed this video and want more budget-friendly home tips, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.